Most people think AI adoption means learning how to code or switching careers. It doesn't. AI adoption starts much simpler than that. If you can read, write, research, explain, or create, AI already applies to you. The real question is, where do you start applying it? So that's the core message. You don't pivot into AI. You apply AI where you are already. So let me show you 5 starting zones. So if you're watching this video and you are confused, you don't know where to start, this video is a starting point. It will give you an idea of the point of value that you can start creating your impact right away. So let me show you these 5 simple start zones, and you will see that at least one or two of it resonates with you. So once you discover it, you can start immediately and start creating value in that zone. Okay. So we have work and school, we have productivity, content and creativity, analysis, side also. So let's start with zone 1, everyday's work and school. If you're a student, employee or job seeker, start applying AI to emails. Okay. Start applying AI to reports, to studying, and to resumes. AI here means you need to start using it in your schoolwork or your current job. It helps you think faster and write clearer. If you type or read for a living, this is your starting point. Okay. So zone 2, productivity and automation. If you repeat the same tasks every week, scheduling, follow-ups, data entry, reports, name them. If you do those tasks every week, day in, day out, AI's value here is very simple. Less time spent on body work when you allow AI to automate those tasks for you. You keep control, AI removes friction. This is where people quietly gain back hours of their week. Zone 3, content and creativity. If you create content, such as videos, posts, lessons, or ideas, AI turns one idea to many. One script becomes a video, a short, a post, and a newsletter. So this is how small content creators operate, like full teams, like one-man army, okay? A company of one, not by working more, but by multiplying effort. The next zone is zone 4, analysis and decision making. If your work involves research, data, or judgment, and you're in finance, healthcare, or you're in operations and management, AI helps you to actually summarize faster, spot patterns, and explain complex complex data. So AI doesn't make decisions for you; it sharpens the decision you already make. So this is one of the highest value uses of AI. Then a fifth zone is income and side hustle. If you are looking to earn more, AI lowers the barrier to entry. Digital products, create digital products, you create research briefs, content channels, services. Okay. The tools are cheaper, the speed is faster, but the effort still matters. AI does not take away your effort. Okay. It only speeds it up and scale it. So AI rewards clarity, not shortcuts. Remember, this is the age of clarity. This is the age of insight. People are not thirsty. They are not wanting information. People are drowning in information already. Okay. People are drowning in information, but they are still thirsty for clarity, for insight. Information is everywhere, but insight is scarce. That is your value point. That is your entry point where you can start creating value, creating insight through the use of AI as a way of making income, as creating side hustles for yourself. So this is very simple. Okay, very simple. Whatever your daily tasks are, map them out, identify those ones that are pinpoint to you that AI can automate. Okay, so that's the question you should ask yourself right now. What do I do repeatedly every week? Do I write every week? Use AI to start drafting it. Do I read every week? Use AI to summarize what you're reading. Okay, in one of my videos on this channel, I said how told you how I was able to read a financial report, Amazon financial report, that's up to 20 pages in under 10 minutes. Okay. I don't have a background in finance, but I could get insight from the financial report because I use AI to summarize it. What do you do every day, every week? Do you explain? Do you have a road where you have to explain that over and over again? You could use AI to structure your explanation. Do you research? Do you do weekly researching? Use AI to synthesize your research. Do you sell every week? Use AI to send text message, to compile your message, to craft your selling pitch, okay, to get yourself better in selling. Okay, so this makes AI practical and not abstract. All right, so now I have a 7-day challenge for you. So this is to get you started. The most difficult thing for us to do is to make changes. We always wish things change. We don't always wish to change. But in this AI era, the future belongs to those who are ready for change that the AI has brought. So these are the seven. This is a 7-day challenge that I'm giving to you to challenge you. So if you want to start immediately, try this. Day one, rewrite something you already wrote, okay, with AI. Day two, summarize something you normally read with AI. Day three, automate one tiny task with AI. Day four, generate 10 ideas in your feed with AI. Day five, improve a resume, script, or plan with AI. Day six, repurpose one piece of content with AI. And day seven, ask AI to save you 5 hours next week. Okay, so this is the core message, and this is what I want to take away with this message. AI adoption is not about becoming technical. It's not about mastering coding or deep technical uh computer science lingos. No, that's not what AI adoption means. It's about becoming faster, clearer, and more valuable at what you already do, make you better in your domain. Okay, so start where you are. That's how real AI adoption works. If you like this video, I want you to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this will motivate me to bring you more content on AI adoption. Thank you. Bye.